Alright guys, welcome back. As you can see, I was running some pipe today, trying to keep that as straight as possible. I think it turned out alright. Definitely pretty tricky. It's ridiculous. Anyways, shouldn't be that hard, but anywho, used the laser for part of it. And then, so anyways, explain more about that later. So anyways, have an emergency box here, which goes around all the way down to the other emergency box down there. And then I haven't run over to the panel yet. Same with the other normal lighting box. But the normal lighting box goes here to there, jumps across, goes down one and then up one. So kind of like running, kind of like I was explaining yesterday in the blueprints, how you connect how you would connect like a plug circuit or a lighting circuit, how you just daisy chain them. So you're just taking this pipe going to that box, that box, to that box, to that box, to that box. So sort of similar, but not really. But I don't know what the problem was. It just seemed like nothing was going straight. I'd eyeball it up there and it looked straight. I'd come down and it looked super crooked, but I don't know. Anyways, maybe it's the wall, maybe it's the joist, but I don't know. It just seems like when I was following the laser or measuring like 7.5 inches off there, it just looked like it was super crooked. So I'd eyeball it and then I'd come down and it would look crooked. So I just basically just stayed with the numbers, like whatever it was, 7.5 or whatever, from that pipe to that pipe. So I just kept it the same all the way down, and it seemed to work out. So just kind of trust the numbers. Worst case, just strap it extra or whatever if it needs to be. If it's a little bit loose or whatever, this is 1/2 inch, so it's kind of floppy, but not the rigidest. But that's what I was working on. I'm not going to tell you how long it took because it's embarrassing, but I'm just going to say I stayed extra after work to fix it on my own time, because I messed up a couple times and I had to basically mess the numbers up. I started hanging this box like over here, and I had to move it over, and then once I was almost done I had to move it over again. So anyways, basically I finished it and then it was like 15 feet short on that side, so I had to move it back. I divided by the wrong number, so there's like 4 lights in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I divided it up by 5 and then whatever. So anyways, I just kind of went with the number that I got from the other guy, but also didn't double check it. So anyways, it just seemed like everything was going wrong today. Like I dropped my drill from the ceiling like all the way down to the ground, and somehow it didn't break, and it still works, so that's good. But anyways, it just seems like everything was not going the way for me today. So anyways, surprised I didn't fall off the lift and like freaking die. So yeah, so anyways, that's the lift I was on. It goes all the way up to the ceiling. But anyways, hope you enjoyed my struggle today. Maybe you can learn from this, I don't know, but yeah. Yep, so anyways, I'm gonna end this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going home. I got some stuff to do, but hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support, guys. Thanks for the prayers. I woke up this morning feeling amazing, actually, not gonna lie. I was crying. I felt so good, so I just want to thank you guys. I appreciate the support. Yeah, so appreciate it, guys, so much. So alright, guys, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See you later.